Stop. Your job might not exist in 10 years. Not because you failed, but because a machine learned to do it better. This shift is silent, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. By 2035, AI could replace 40% of today's jobs, and most people don't even see it coming. The question isn't if it happens, it's whether you'll be ready. Imagine walking into a bank with no humans, calling support with no voice, applying for a job, rejected in 3 seconds by an algorithm. No interviews, no explanations, just data deciding your future. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't get sick, it doesn't ask for salary, and companies love that. When profits rise, loyalty disappears. But here's what nobody tells you. If you understand what's happening now, you won't be replaced. You'll be ahead of the revolution. The future rewards the prepared. First to disappear, repetitive jobs, data entry, scheduling, payroll. AI processes thousands of documents in seconds. If your work follows a predictable pattern, it can be automated. Customer service is next. Millions already speak to AI daily, and don't even realize it. Machines are becoming indistinguishable from humans. Drivers are at risk. Self-driving trucks are learning every mile. And they never get tired. One software update can replace thousands overnight. But here's the shocking part. It's not just blue-collar jobs. The disruption is climbing the ladder. AI writes code, reviews contracts, detects diseases. Even high-paying professions are being reshaped. Years of education no longer guarantee protection. Some AI systems already outperform humans in specific tasks. Intelligence is no longer rare. Access to intelligence is becoming universal. And the speed of growth is even more dangerous. Because exponential change feels slow, until it's sudden. AI improves exponentially. Companies like OpenAI and Google invest billions to make it smarter every year. The machines of 2035 won't look anything like today's, but every revolution creates opportunity. The internet destroyed jobs and created millions more. Chaos always hides opportunity. New careers are exploding. Prompt engineers, AI trainers, automation consultants. The AI gold rush has already started. Early adopters are building digital empires. But the biggest advantage isn't a job title. It's a mindset, and the next shift determines everything. Don't compete with AI. Use it. Learn how to command it. The future belongs to AI-powered humans. Develop creativity. Machines follow patterns. Humans create meaning. Original thinking becomes premium. Build emotional intelligence. Empathy cannot be automated. Connection will outperform computation. Master problem solving. AI gives answers. Humans ask better questions. Curiosity becomes your competitive edge. And the last strategy is what millionaires are secretly doing. They invest in AI instead of fearing it. They build systems that work while they sleep. In 2035, there will be two types of people. Those replaced and those empowered. Preparation decides the category. If you refuse to be replaced, subscribe to Mendonomy and join thousands rewiring their future. Common future if you're ready to adapt. Because the future doesn't wait, it upgrades.